Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Okay, what we have to do, we have to create a pod name this with the image of this, and we have to create liveness and readiness probe for this particular pod. Let's do that. Image is this hyphen dry run is equal to client hyphen YAML is equal to q3 or not, it's q4. Okay, q4.yaml vi q4.yaml. What we have to do, we have to mention the liveness and readiness probe. Okay, let's get those some configuration from this documentation of Kubernetes. We'll see that. Okay, liveness probe, as this is the part of command execution as I mentioned, so that's why I have used this. Otherwise it's all upon our requirement how we gonna use it. We have multiple options, just like in an http get, or if you wanted to check on particular port as well, we can use those liveness and readiness probe. So as most of the configuration are same, so I just copy paste both. Okay, but here the command execution is different, so I just mentioned bin bash or shell -c, and they just mentioned we need to use this command to check the particular pod service. So it's all done here. Liveness and readiness probe has been set it correct. Create -f q4.yaml. So this is all set. Let's see how does it goes. Okay, it's showing that okay, there is a typo error, or we can say the spelling mistakes. It's readiness, it should be readiness. Okay, pod has been created, it should be in pending state. Okay, container creating running. Okay, so we need to create that particular pod, which is going to be do the curl or wget to get that particular pod is working in the form of readiness probe. So k run. Now on to the second part. This is the pod name hyphen image, and this is the image. Okay, it's all done, and this mention as the labels, we're gonna use that because this pod has been associated with service. That's why they just mentioned this as a label. Pod has been created. Let's see, now our both pods should be running. Hyphen watch. Okay, now it's running.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.